Ready?
Yeah.
No. Back up. Watch her jump. She tries to jump on me. Go.
Yeah.
Let me break my arm.
Yeah.
Do your evil look. Wait, do your evil look.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna... What you get? Don't try it again. You're hurting my arm. Evil look.
Yeah. Come.
That's what you get. Okay, ready? Evil, evil baby look. Do your evil face. Do it. Do this.
What are you doing? Maybe she doesn't need to get all wound.
Watch her. Watch what she does. She looks at me on me and then watch. Don't do it.
Well, here we come. Well, here we come.
You must. I told you you're not going to be able to breathe.
You're gonna be wheezing.
Anna.
You're
Oh, God. Evil? Sit down. Why are you trying to attack me? You're beating me. Oh, you stop. Okay.
Eat that phone, Anna. Stop it, Mommy.
Now I have to stop it? Okay. Sit down.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh! You know what? My glasses off my face. That's not funny anymore. Stop it. Anna, chill. You are mean. That is not nice. Move. Stop. Make your okay. Just sit still. Make your evil face. You really do look evil. Do it. Ow! Stop pulling that. You've lost your mind, child. Stop. Get out of the way. Nobody wants to see your snotty nose. You scare me.
Well.
You scare well.
Well. Here we come.
Stop. Sit down. Okay. My phone.